Hi, Dad here. Like a good dad, I'm going to show you how to properly tie a necktie. Let's get started. Ingredients needed: 1 fashionable fabric necktie. Got it. Hold the wide end in your left hand and the small end in your right hand. Then put the tie over your shoulders with the big end in your left and the small end in your right. Make sure it's flat for maximum fashion. Now take the big end and pull it down until the little end is level with the 3rd or 4th button from the top on your yellow fashion blouse. This all depends on the length of your tie. For this tie, the 3rd button works great for Dad. Now take the big end and drape it over the little end once. Then pull it under, then back over a 2nd time. Now take the big end and stuff it up through the hole you've made. Pull it all through. Now, here comes the trickiest part. Take the 2nd wraparound you made and stuff the big end of the tie underneath and out the bottom. This may look and feel sloppy, but you can neaten it up after. Flatten all the parts out to make a smooth, fashionable knot. Pull it all the way through. Now take the little end and pull it down, holding the knot you've made. Oh boy, you're looking good. Tidy up a little, fold your collar down, and now you have yourself a perfect tied tie. Okay, now let's see that all again from a point of view that's a little closer to what you'll be seeing when attempting to tie your own tie. Little end in the right, big end in the left. Big end goes over the little end once, then a 2nd time. Take the big end and push it up through the hole. Pull it all out. Then sneak it down and through that last wrap. May need to finagle your way into that fashion, but Dad believes in you. Remember, this part never looks good. Just stuff it through. Tidy up that knot. Then take the little end and pull the knot up until it feels tight, but loose enough for room to party. There we go. Plenty of party room on Dad's neck. And that's it, a perfect tied necktie. Neckties should typically hang to your belt, but it's also your life. So let that tie tickle your toes or wave at your belly. It's up to you. Thanks for watching.